Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I don't know about you, but my life is pretty busy and I am always looking for a way to save time but not skimp on quality. So I want to show you this Minute Brown and Wild Rice cups. These are ready to serve cups and these are awesome. They are the perfect little size for a meal or a side dish, and they are ready in 1 minute. So there's 2 in each pack of these, and they each have a perfectly portioned 1 cup serving of brown and wild rice. And this is so amazing because you pop it in the microwave and it's ready in 1 minute. And when you cook dry brown rice, it takes like 45 minutes to cook. So this is a huge time saver and it tastes delicious. The rice is really nice. It has a great texture. It's not mushy at all. Each grain is separate and perfectly cooked, so it is a really easy way to get your meal on the table. So I love to keep these on hand for busy days as the base of a rice bowl, or to use them in making a stir fry or anything like that. There are so many possibilities. They are a very convenient and delicious option, and that is my point of view.